gonna have breakfast before the potentially hardest hike of the day. Of the trip.
Breakfast gonna do. Yeah. Pleasantly surprised.
Yeah.
Shimudo. Bacon, eggs, hash browns. We made some waffles, toast, bagel, everything. Enjoy!
Tashi Delek.
Actually, on the Lake Louise la gone leso. I think heading on the Lake Louise ki
Main trail.
scene the goneta. We'll see a nicer view of it because heading the la jingba dang cloud cover mdo. So heading on the kangri sangma yako 동그래. So the sang injo ocean sangma 동그래. And after that on the komba kya hiking.
Today is supposed to be the hardest day.
Yeah. Oh, ho, ho. These two. Lakeshore hike, lakeshore walk, Lake Agnes hike, Teahouse adare. And Didi, it's too long. See, it's 5.5 kilometer one way. So chukchi chaira and then dito pingpi. Ni so about 16 kilometers. So I think we'll probably do lakeshore walk, this, and the tea house. Wow, look at this reflection. Just for the photo? Yeah, just for the photo.
Tashi Delek. Starting the hike of Lake Louise. That's Lake Louise behind us. Namde, ready for the hike?
Yes.
Feeling good?
Yeah. Even this lake looks very turquoise.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm loving the yellow, bright yellow trees.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Start of the hike. Hike
Okay.
day.
She's hazır.
Sum.
No, she's hazır right now. 3 o'clock?
Right now? Right now it's like 11.
She's 아니, she's tuk승길 hike.
So we are, I don't know, quarter way, maybe halfway, still going strong. Pala is here with us. Amla dang amla ganglade.
You can see them now. Show the corner.
There they are. We're doing very well.
Yeah.
Doing very well. La. Hi, my dear. You okay?
Short break, water break.
We are at Mirror Lake, very close to Lake Agnes Teahouse, where we're going to stop for lunch. Almost there.
Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
Where are you from, man?
It's Harlem.
Well, I'm from Canada, man. A beautiful place.
Yeah,
I like it, man.
you like it?
You're very good. Excellent. I enjoy myself.
That's good.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
my dear.
Thank you.
Keep it up.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, we're almost at the tea house. Lake Agnes lad 서둘러. 내려도 근데 싸들라 육추 말해. Bopchu. Waterfall.
We did it.
We did it.
Good job.
We did
You
it.
made it.
Oh. Huh? Huh?
And the weather is so nice.
Amala, we made it. We did it.
Conditions. How is it? Nice, huh?
Well done.
Good job, everyone. We made it. Yeah. The reflection. 강리 강네 정말 추불 통우다. 암라. 저거 좀 지야. 나왔어 볼 추불 통네. 수 통래. 뷰.
내가 연말에 제가 해주시는데 맞아라. 무슨 남을 따다 나간 남을 열어놔.
You know the story? Of the monkey who thought that the moon fell in the water because he saw the reflection in the water. And so he was like gonna go catch the moon. He was gonna go pick it up. The moon was still up there.
Oh my god.
Little snack break, even though we just ate. Noodles, tuppa. More veggie wraps. Did you have fun? The little bird?
Yes.
I left a little gift for you.
Little poop gift.
Thank you very much. It was nice.
Thanks for the noodles, Les.
Okay, so we're now going on what is the second leg of our big hike today. This is going from the Lake Agnes Teahouse to the Big Beehive. Me Sangma, they went ahead of me. They got a bit of a head start because I had to use the washroom. So I'll catch up to them and then we'll show you what it's like on the way there and obviously when we get there.
Hey, free Tibet! Somebody said free Tibet. Okay. Dix.
Tiki seso lakelo. Amala kama duki.
Lake Beehive.
Lake Beehives.
Manjola kali ongirta. Kangba naso.
강원에서.
Kangba nagidu.
서자 한제 짱만인죠. 고양보. It's crystal clear though. 짱만 짱게는 싫어. 이네 와르도 this. 싸도 봐.
If you don't, whatever it's clear water passing through.
Wow. Okay.
Test.
Still.
Test.
엄마.
Oi. We are now at the top, just walking to the viewpoint. Hulo. Hi. Miss is starting her own channel.
OG channel over here.
Yeah.
Come, let's go. Lake Louise, Fairmont, and Tenzin. Made it up. 먼저 찼어.
Kalikaso.
하이키 트레일 찼어. 먼저 리기 짤을 샀어. 딱 먼저 말랑 절로래. 유서 심마시대. Lake Louise 라디래. 뭐 그 아무런 얘기라. Amla should be fine. Mom should be fine going down. Amla younger.
But it's not that the rest of the way is not that steep.
Yeah, after
only this
seeing the
part.
view, you forget all your tiredness.
Yeah.
It's so heavenly.
Yeah.
Amma,
It's really
hey,
beautiful.
what are you guys doing? Amma, hey, daddy.
The best. That's the best.
Oh my god, Dad.
Yeah,
Here's a little chipmunk. Little chipmunk.
he's looking for food. Yeah.
Baby chipmunk. Oh, okay, Dad is having a great time. You two enjoyed?
Yes,
Yes,
thoroughly.
we enjoyed.
Yeah.
Forgot our knee pains and
So fun.
Leg
It's so
aches
fun.
all
That's
over.
my, in my life, the first longest
Hike.
hike, I think.
Yeah, and the most
my
beautiful. Look at
gosh,
there's
beautiful.
And the,
the views are just
view.
all around us. So beautiful.
유정 간대님 저도.
유정님 저도. Okay, 당연히 당기 리당 추여서 저 오늘 사저 랑절했어. 당연히 추디 강이 추 버틀 디강 텐두 추시 강요래. 당연히 저래 암라당 암라니 빨라단 데기 사저 샴바네마 밥인도서. 먼저 되는 추레래 추 강아치도. So 당연히 추디 렌사디 먼저 조금 줘야 가시는 데는 막 미시라 망보. 민도 안 쓰지 그래도. Okay, let's go. 식나길라 저대요래. 아니 그냥 길렀어. 그냥 침보시랑 놀라면 저기 뷰. 안돼 하고 싶었어.
Yeah.
당연히 쓰라. Okay, 당연 저 Lake Louise 나마랑 잘했어. Lake Louise 얘기하거든. 아니 빨람라당 암라당 데기 델말레 민두 당아서 혼자 고대요래. 아니 하나 디스링한 저 view the enjoy chi and on the Fairmont la charo tunga ro chdoya ta ga jai Fairmont Hotel. Tangigangan natin sa undi na siya. It is right over there. Reflection di. 강리 디기 reflection there. 디기 reflection there. Spinning jodong dala. Para dala. Ni Nyima nupto do. So 먼저 칼라사 건다 칼라사 여기 Tashi Delek. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Do.
The parents made it. Finally.
Meet 상마 칼레카소.
Yeah. Alekasha.
칼레카샤.
Take my logo.
Huge musolas.
Oh, nice time.
Coffee's here.
Coffee is here.
Cheers.
Okay, cheers.
Thank you. Everything.
Love you
Thank you for
guys.
everything. We enjoy a lot. We enjoy too much.
I hope it's good. Still fried chicken.
Fried chicken, halibut.
How did it look? This looks good.
This is called cheesecake. Huh? This one is chocolate. Chocolate.
Yum yum.
Huh?
Marquise.
Chocolate marquise. Chocolate marquise. This one here. And this Amala is very busy looking photos.
Dessert
The
time. Dessert
photo, the sweet time.
Thank you.
Nupula. This is the one. Melting, man. Melting. So nice. Thank you. Keep it up, okay?
I said Mati.
먼저 칼라사 차니 디사간 두분랑 칼라사사 아니 사간 마텐두 칼라 we saw some really pretty poppy flowers. Yeah. Lake Louise, one last look. 나군 차서. Okay, let's go home. Goodbye from Lake Louise. Nang lalo dear.